Over at Cody's, he's actually got this nice big field over in his backyard. So we're gonna take my truck and do some ripping because it's already caked in dirt, so why not get a little bit muddier? First things first, we're gonna hold this button down to turn off my traction control and StabiliTrak. There we go. So those are both off. So now let's rip.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
Turn it left and right. Walk yourself out.
Ready?
Put the Mini-Max to work?
I only have all-terrains, not mud terrain. So as you can see, whoo, she's in there pretty good. I'd be like, oh damn, son. Brent, come over here. Look at how clean that Rancho still is. So since I am currently buried, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out.
I wish I had my buckets.
Beautiful. Nicely done.
Darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's
this old Yukon over here. We got the skid steer, so we decided, let's start ramming it with the forks. So yeah, you know, it's just chilling here, not running, so we decided, let's start ramming into it. Dude, it's too bad this truck is in here. I'd say try and flip it.
Not a bad idea. Probably would.
Like butter. Oh yeah, going for the roof. I just hit right through the windshield. Brett, come on like a downward angle with them. Clean 5.3 to me. GMC for life, baby. Fuck yeah. Always make sure you close the hood when you're done. It's important. There you go, close it real good.
Close it really good, double tap it.
Now, you see, you want to make sure she latches down. Oh, dude, look at it. It's just bleeding fluid. Dude, look at her just bleed.
Fix it, she's still gonna start?
She doesn't have any batteries.
She'll start. She'll turn off.
It's just cosmetic. She's fine.
Door.
Real
That
nice.
door got a little bit of damage.
I think she'll buff out.
You know, I think it's just a little door dent.
I know a guy, he's got some compound and polish. I mean, that's
all fixable.
No,
No, that's all fixable. Oh, you get the right body man in here.
you guys want to watch some Star Wars?
Bro, let's watch some Star Wars.
You get the right body man in here. This is a cheap, nice daily driver. Reliable.
Reliable daily driver. If you're interested, $800. All right, we know what we have, okay?
No low ball.
Yeah, no low balls, no tire kickers.
Minimal rust, okay? I mean, she's a runner. It's a 5.3 Vortex. You all seen it.
Only weight reduction.
That's good. The aerodynamics may be a little screwy, but she's a runner.
You got all this space for cargo, you know, whatever you need to put back here, activities. She's a weekend overlander. Hope you also enjoyed us ripping around in the field. Now it's time for us to wash this truck.